Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I've got to tell you about this. So recently I did a video on this Haus Laboratories lip gloss. This color is Work. And one of my friends came on my Reason for Insanity, and she told me to try this color. Sorry about the crash. This is Ethereal. And so we're gonna try on Ethereal now. Ooh. I've been waiting to try it on, y'all. Been waiting. She said this is her go-to color. And so yeah, I had to have it. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? That is a pretty color. It is nice. Now keep in mind, your hair will get stuck in this. It's got that glossy type feel to it. But it does feel nice on my lips. It's a beautiful color. It's just that nice little, I don't know, it gives your face just that little bit of splash of color to make you look pretty and beautiful without, you know, being into the dark ones like wearing the dark ones like I sometimes do try to wear. But yes, this is perfect for an everyday lipstick or lip gloss. So thank you, my Reason for Insanity. I appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.